Hello and welcome from the Flott Demonstration Center in Remscheid. Today we would like to introduce you to the RLX RH3 ProtoTRAK lathe. The machine has a 15.6-inch touchscreen with a wide range of options. The control was introduced to the market in the early 90s and was an immediate success. The easy-to-use control interface makes it possible to produce individual parts and small batches very quickly and easily. It therefore closes the gap between conventional and fully automatic CNC machining. The machine is very robust, is manufactured from a single part, and has a solid cast bed. Inductively hardened and precision-ground flat guides ensure that the machine has a high degree of inherent rigidity. The RLX has a 52 spindle bore, a turning diameter of 355 and a center distance of 1,000 millimeters. The high turning speed of up to 4,000 revolutions per minute and the constant cutting speed function ensure a great finish. 2 gear stages are available for maximum performance. An air cushion supported tailstock enables us to machine different workpiece lengths. The lathe chuck guard makes things much easier for us. This ensures that the machine can be used with the work door open for setup and manual movement. To use the machine fully automatically in CNC mode, simply close the work area. Any chips and coolant remain inside the machine. A chip container integrated in the front drawer is available for easy cleaning of the machine. The ProtoTRAK turning machine has been designed for a wide range of users, from someone without any CNC knowledge to a trained programmer. We have a wide range of cycles and applications available to produce a wide range of components, from simple radius and cone production in the digital area to complex workpiece machining in the CNC area. We also have an optional DXF converter at our disposal, with which we can easily import technically complex drawings. Convince yourself of the great ProtoTRAK control system and view the machine live in action. We would be delighted to invite you to our Flott Demonstration Center in Remscheid.